Today, I'll show you how to create a lookalike audience in Google Ads. First, it's important to know that Google Ads has changed how lookalike audiences work. Traditional similar audiences were removed from most Google Ads campaign types, and Google now uses tools like optimized targeting, audience expansion, and lookalike segments for demand gen campaigns. Google also says lookalike segments and demand gen are transitioning into audience suggestions during 2026. To start, open Google Ads and log into your account. For the closest lookalike style setup, create a demand gen campaign if it is available in your account. Click Create, then choose Campaign. Select your campaign goal, such as leads, sales, or website traffic. Now choose Demand Gen as the campaign type. Continue through the campaign settings, including location, language, budget, and bidding. When you reach the audience section, look for Lookalike Segment or Audience options. To create a lookalike segment, you need a source audience, also called a seed list. This can be a customer list, website visitor audience, app user audience, or another first-party audience. Choose the source audience you want Google to use as the signal. For example, you can use a list of past customers, high-value leads, or people who completed a purchase. Then choose the lookalike settings available in your account. Google may use that audience as a signal to find people who are likely to behave similarly or convert. If you are using another campaign type, such as display, video, or performance max, use optimized targeting or audience signals instead. Add your customer list or remarketing audience as the signal, then let Google optimize delivery based on your campaign goal. After publishing the campaign, monitor conversions, cost per conversion, and audience performance, and that's it. You now know how to create a lookalike style audience in Google Ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.